Question number 6. If x plus 3, 4, y minus 4, x plus y equal to 5, 4, 3, 9. Find the value of x and y. X plus 3, 4, y minus 4, x plus y equal to 5, 4, 3 and 9. Then first x plus 3 is equal to 5, which implies x equal to 5 minus 3, x equal to 2, and 4 equal to 4, then y minus 4 equal to 3, which implies y equal to 3 plus 4. So y equal to positive 7, and x plus y equal to 9. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. X is 2 and y is 7. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So we get x is equal to 2 and y equal to 7. Answer. Given x plus 3, 4, y minus 4, x plus y equal to 5, 4, 3, 2. First is comparing, that is equal to 5. X plus 3 equal to 5 means x equal to 5 minus 3, x is equal to 2. And y minus 4 equal to 3, that is y equal to 3 plus 4, y equal to 7. We get the value of x and y equal to 2 and 7. And this equation is x plus y equal to 9. We are putting x is 2 and y is 7, and x plus y, that is equal to 9. So left hand side equal to right hand side, and x equal to 2, y is equal to 7. Answer. Question number 7. Find the value of x, y and z if x plus 2, 6, 3, 5z equal to minus 5, y square plus y, 3 and minus 20. First, x plus 2 equal to minus 5, which implies x is equal to minus 5 minus 2. This is shifting right side, so 2 will be negative, and we get the value of x equal to minus 7. And 6 equal to y square plus y plus y. And second, that is 6 equal to y square plus y. So 6 equal to y square plus y, which implies y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation and splitting by middle term. That is minus 6y square. And we are taking two number, 3y minus 2y. Product is minus 6y square and 3y minus 2y is 1y. So y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Y is taking common, in bracket y plus 3, in bracket y plus 3 minus 2 is common, equal to 0. So y minus 2 and y plus 3 equal to 0, which implies we get the value of y equal to positive 2 and negative 3. We get the value of y is 2 and minus 3. And 5z equal to minus 20. So z equal to minus 20 upon 5, that is minus 4. So required value x equal to minus 7 and y equal to 2 and minus 3, z equal to minus 4. Answer: given x plus 2 equal to minus 5 and 6 is equal to y square plus y, 3 is equal to 3, 5 z equal to minus 20. X plus 2 is equal to minus 5 means x equal to minus 5 minus 2, then x equal to minus 7. And second, y square plus y equal to 6. It's a quadratic equation, y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Splitting middle term. Product of first and last is minus 6y square. So we are taking two numbers, that is 3y positive minus 2y negative. Their product is equal to minus 6y square and 3y minus 2y, that is equal to positive y. Y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Y is taking common, in bracket y plus 3 and minus 2 is common. So y minus 2 first and y plus 3 second equal to 0. Then y is equal to positive 2 and y is equal to negative 3. And 5z equal to minus 20 means z equal to minus 20 upon 5, that is minus 4. So x equal to minus 7, y is equal to 2 and minus 3, z equal to minus 4. Answer. Question number 8. Find the value of x, y, a and v. Given x minus 2, y, a plus 2b, 3a minus b equal to 3, 1, 5 and 1. First, that is x minus 2 equal to 3, which implies x equal to 3 plus 2. So x equal to 5. First, we find the value of x equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Directly corresponding element is 1. A plus 2b equal to 5 and 3a minus b equal to 1. A plus 2b equal to 5, 3a minus b equal to 1. So multiplying equation, its equation first and second. Multiplying equation first by 3. Multiplying first by 3 and subtracting first and second, we get 3a plus 6b equal to 15. Multiplying first by 3 and second 3a minus b equal to 1. Sign change, minus plus minus. This is cancelled. 6a plus 6b plus b, that is equal to 7b and 14, which implies b is equal to 14 upon 7. B equal to 2 and we are putting b is equal to 2 in first. We get a plus 2 into 2 is equal to 5, which implies a plus 4 equal to 5 and a equal to 5 minus 4. So a equal to 1. X is equal to 5, y is equal to x minus 2 equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1 directly. A plus b equal to 5 and 3a minus b equal to 1. Multiplying equation first by 3 and subtracting first and second, we get 3 into a 3a, 3 2s are 6b, 3 5s are 15, and second is 3a minus b equal to 1. Sign change, this will be negative, positive, negative. 3a is cancelled, 6b plus b is 7b, that is equal to 15 minus 1 is 14. So b is equal to 14 upon 7, that is 2, and we get the value of b is equal to 2. B, we are putting b is equal to 2 in equation first. A plus 2 2s are 4 equal to 5. A is equal to, a plus 4 is equal to 5 means a is equal to 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And we get x is equal to 5, y is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, and b is equal to 2. Answer. Find the value of a. Find the value of a, b, c, and d. If given a plus b equal to 6, 3 is equal to d, 5 plus c is equal to minus 1, and ab is equal to 8. Solution. Question number 9. Given a plus b 3, 5 plus c, ab equal to 6, d minus 1, and 8. A plus b equal to 6 and d is equal to, corresponding element of d is equal to 3. Then d equal to 3 and a plus b is equal to 6. 5 plus c is equal to minus 1, which implies c is equal to, shifting right side, minus 1 minus 5. We get the value of c is equal to minus 6, and ab equal to 8. So b is equal to 8 upon a. We are putting b in equation number first, its equation first. A plus 8 upon a equal to 6. Cross multiplying, a square plus 8 equal to 6a, which implies 6a shifting left side, a square. This will be negative 6a plus 8 equal to 0, and splitting by middle term. Product of first and last is equal to 8a square. We are splitting by middle term, that is minus 4a minus 2a, two numbers. Minus 4a minus 2a, that is equal to minus 6a, and product of minus 4a and minus 2a equal to 8a square. A square minus 4a minus 2a plus 8 equal to 0. A is taking common in bracket a minus 4. A minus 4 in bracket minus 2 is common, equal to 0. A minus 2, a minus 4 equal to 0, which implies a is equal to 2, 4. We are putting a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 in equation number second. Then b is equal to 8 upon 2, that is equal to 4. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 6, and d is equal to 3. Answer. Thank you.